Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Natia. If you're new to my channel, you are welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I DIY this hair mask. This is actually rice and oat hair mask. This hair mask is great. It's really going to help you to grow your hair, strengthen your hair, and gives a lot of volumes. I hope you guys like and enjoy this video. So my first ingredient is going to be rice, and I'm going to be using half cup of rice here. You can also go ahead and add more if depend of the length of your hair. So I'm going to be adding 1 cup of water into my pot, and then I will be bringing my rice to fire and let it cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, this is my rice, guys. It's already soft and tender. So this is basically how you want your rice to look, because it's not too cooked, because I'm still gonna be adding my oats together with it. So after that, I went ahead to add 1 cup of oats, and then I will be adding a little bit of water just to let both of them to cook together again, and then I will let it cook for about another 10 minutes so that both can be really soft together. This is my oats, guys. It has been cooking now for 10 minutes, so it's really soft, as you guys can see. And what I did next, I just set it aside and to let it cool down. Here is my mask, guys. It has already cooled down, so as you guys can see. So now what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be transferring this mask into my blender, and then after that I will go ahead and add half cup of water into the blender, and then I will be bringing it to the blender to really blend it to a very smooth mask. In this case, if you also prefer to just add your oil at this point, you can also go ahead and add your oil, or you can also add the oil later. So this is basically how my mask is looking, guys. There's one thing that I didn't do here. I went ahead to apply this mask on my hair like this. At the end of the day, I ended up having a lot of flakes, like oat flakes into my hair. So I would really advise that you use your hose cap or your socks to, or your cheesecloth to just press it down so that you don't end up having all this stuff into your hair. So after that, I went ahead to add 1 cup of extra virgin oil. Like I mentioned before, you can add the oil like this at this point, or you can also add the oil and the blender together if you prefer. Just do it the way you want, okay, which is the same. So just mix everything together and your hair mask is ready to use. Guys, this hair mask is very great. You guys know that rice is great for hair. It really detangles the hair. It makes hair smoother. It increases shines. It also makes hair stronger and help hair to grow longer. So you all know that oat is also great for hair. It really prevents hair fall. It improves hair growth. Oat also prevents split end. It helps to treat dandruff. It also soothes dry and itchy scalp. Oats are rich in fiber, zinc, iron, omega-6 acid that can stimulate hair growth and will make your hair thicker and heavier. So this hair mask is very great, okay? It can really help your hair to grow. It was really strengthening my hair, to be honest. So you can go ahead and apply this mask on your clean hair. Just wash your hair first before you apply this mask, and then just massage your scalp and you are really going to see a great result. This hair mask was really strengthening my hair. I really love the result. Oh my goodness, this is actually my first time applying rice and oat mask on my hair. I have used rice water, but I have never tried a mask like a rice mask on my hair. But this is my first time trying it, guys. It was really moisturizing my hair. As you guys can see here, you can tell how my hair gets so soft. My hair get really soft. It was really moisturizing the hair. And even after rinsing it out, my hair was so thick. Like, I was so impressed. I was so impressed by the result, and you guys are going to love it. Just give it a try. It's very easy to make, okay? And yeah. So if you are watching me for the first time, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And this channel is all about how to grow your hair at home. You all know that every DIY that you want to use to grow your natural hair, it takes time, guys. You just have to be consistent. You have to use all of them regularly, at least once in a month or twice in a month on your hair, and just give your hair a time, and prevent your hair from protective style that you know that is gonna break your hair. And just give your hair a time and leave your hair alone, and don't put too much heat on your hair, which is gonna cause damage. So after applying the mask on my hair, and I left the mask on my hair for 1 hour, guys, this is basically how my hair is looking. Oh my goodness. I also applied this mask on my baby girl's hair as well. Her hair was really shining after rinsing the mask out. My hair gets so soft. Like, when I mean soft, it gets so soft, and it was really amazing. As you guys can see here, my hair gets so soft and smooth. I was so impressed. I was so impressed, okay? And then I went ahead to rinse my hair. To be honest, my hair was full of flakes. Like, I was having all this stuff, like all this old stuff on my hair. But after rinsing it out, but meanwhile, it wasn't bad, because when I rinsed it out first with water, and then I went ahead to rinse it to shampoo my hair, so a lot of them also came out. But honestly, I was still having a lot on my hair after shampoo and condition. That's the reason why I told you guys, for the first place, you have to, you know, use your whole scalp or use your cheesecloth to, you know, press the mask out, so that you don't ending up having all this stuff on your hair, okay? Yeah. So this is basically how my hair is looking after rinsing it out. My hair was so soft and strong. Like, it was really strong and thick. I really love the result, okay? So yeah, and I hope you guys like and enjoy this video. If you know that you do, please do not forget to subscribe. If you're watching me for the first time, give your girl some comment. Tell me if you have used rice hair mask or oat hair mask on your hair. Tell me if you love this video in the comment section, okay? And in the meantime, hope to catch you on my next one. Stay safe, stay positive. Much love. Bye bye.